I will take your love to give me hope, give me joy, and make me a better man. I vow to make you happy, to make you laugh, to cherish you, and to always be there for you.
And I'll use you as a warning sign, that if you talk enough sense, then you'll lose your mind. And I'll use you as a focal point, so I don't lose sight of what I want.
As we enter into marriage, my prayer is that I will be the wife who will always encourage, uplift, pray, and have fun with you. And in all things, I would place God first.
And I'll use you as a warning sign, that if you talk enough sense, then you'll lose your mind.
Sheila, you are born. You are the strength that Victor has been looking for. And so you are going there with a lot of power so that Victor will have that strength.
We are in this institution because it was created by someone who created love, and that is God. And if you love, then you will become selfless.
Father, I pray for them that you are going to bring warmth in this marriage.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows.
If they look at each other, joy should spring. If they talk, oh God, tears should be there. May they smile at one another. May they eat together and work together. May they pray together and walk together.
Wedding is just but a day's event, but marriage is a full-time life ministry.
It's exciting to be here to walk with you guys as you become husband and wife. You know, who knew in 2017 that this is where we would be when we took a little trip down to Kenya, and for you, Sheila, down to Uganda. And so we're just thankful. I thank God that we're here, that we can celebrate you guys, and that, you know, we can have a fun time. And just, I wish you all the best. I know that God is with you, and it will be beautiful seeing you guys as you are now husband and wife and as you grow your family. So God bless you both, and I love you both.
I, Victor Adhiambo
Ongadi,
take you, Sheila,
Aoko Gwendo,
to be my lawfully wedded wife. I'll respect you for who you are. I'll support you. And cherish you. I'll laugh with you. And cry with you. It also says that which God has joined together, let no man put asunder.